Working in the auto repair industry is great. Here are several reasons why. Today's vehicles are built with sophisticated automotive technology. The auto repair industry is actively recruiting young women and men to join our ranks. Gone are the days when a highly trained auto mechanic is considered a lowly grease monkey. Your car is like a high-level computer network on wheels. To repair your vehicle, you need the right technical skills and problem-solving talent to service it. Auto repair may be ideal for you if you like knowing how things work and helping people every day. Your role is critical to keeping them safe. The auto repair industry is actively recruiting young women and men who love cars, are tech-savvy, like to work with their hands, and feel satisfaction when helping others. We have many open jobs available in this industry, and we need more talented, dedicated technicians, service advisors, and managers. When you work as an auto technician, service advisor, or manager, your work matters. You are the lifeblood of our nation because you keep families safe in their cars. Today's technicians are like doctors, lawyers, or dentists. They are trusted people who have high-level skills and make a good income without the burden of big student loans. Pay is comparable to those working in high-tech companies. How would you like to work in an industry that is growing, satisfying, pays well, is constantly evolving, and helps people? Would you thrive in an environment like this, knowing you make a difference? Contact our auto repair shop to explore our career opportunities. You'll be glad you did.